Good evening, traders. Uh, Today we taken four trades all together, and we will discuss how we taken the trade and how it gone today. So first we will talk about Bank Nifty. See, in Bank Nifty, you can see there is. Excuse me. Yep. In Bank Nifty, you can see there is a narrow CPR, and in narrow CPR, price will move in unidirection. Either upside or downside, it will move drastically. So I was ready yesterday. I was ready on the Friday itself because Bank Nifty showed narrow CPR. So I was ready, and once the price opened near this, once the price opened below the CPR, so I just thought ki it will be a negative day. So although global markets are also negative, so we taken our entry near here 34,800 P, and we taken our entry at 917 918 itself, and our stop loss was this 34,954 above our entry candle. And easily we got, within 10 minutes easily we got our target, which is 1 is to 2, and our trade was fulfilled here. And we will back for these trades. We will back to just few minutes after we will back here. And then after we had gone through Adani Ports. In Adani Ports, you can see Adani Ports has a, hold on a moment please. Okay, Adani Port have a very narrow CPR, so it was also moved, drastically. But as you can see, it opens very low. It opens very low. So we at the second candle we got our entry. Our stop loss was above the candle, and very easily we got our target. That is 1 is to 2 RR. And this is the beauty of CPR trading. So. We will after that we gone through Bajaj Finance. Though Bajaj Finance was a little risky, you can see that we planned Bajaj Finance for entry and the target of S4, but it reverts from here. But marginally we got our entry in the second candle, because it is, this line is previous day low. It is below the previous day low, so we got our entry. And when I got this big green candle means it will be a up move for the day, and the narrow CPR was there, so I closed my position here at 1 is to 1. So we got, it was, although I said it was the risky trade, so we got 1 is to 1. And it was our second trade. And after that we gone through Adani Port and Bajaj Finance, and after that we gone through Maruti Suzuki. See, in Maruti Suzuki, this is S2. Wait, let me show you. Yep. See, this is S2. The price was drastically go down. Then it taken support as S2. Sorry, S3. Then if when it taken support, and there is a zone also, so we taken our entry near this, in at the low of this blue candle. I taken our entry, and my stop loss was this. So you can see very low stop loss, and within few minutes, half an hour, we got our target, that is 7155. Easily 1 is to 2 risk reward. So this was all about the Maruti Suzuki. Then again, at the evening, when I saw the price is consolidating near this area, you can see the price is consolidating. So I thought, why shouldn't be trade or something? Then when I saw this red candle, this was our signal to exhaust the last volume, and I made my entry here, and my target was here easily. And this small was my stop loss. So we easily got, more than 200 points. So this was more than 1:3 risk reward ratio. So that's all, guys. These are all the trades we had taken. If you are interested to learn and earn in free, you can join our Telegram channel. Link is given below. Link is in the description. And one more thing, I want to tell you that if you don't have any Demat account, you can open by our referral, and you will get, and I will add you to the our angel group, where you will get these type of trades free of cost. So thank you, guys. Please, if you like the video, then subscribe it, like it, and share with your friends. Thank you. We will, and stay tuned to our Telegram channel. Link is given below. And from on their Telegram channel, I will share my trades. Thank you so much, guys.